The frequency of a sonometer wire is 100 Hz. When the weights producing the tensions are completely immersed in water, the frequency becomes 80 Hz. And on immersing the weights in a certain liquid, the frequency becomes 60 Hz. The specific gravity of the liquid is to be calculated. So we have the frequency of a sonometer wire is 1 by 2L root T by mu, where T is the tension, mu is mass per unit length of the wire, and L is the length of the wire. Therefore, we have the square of the frequency is proportional to the tension in the wire. And the tension in the wire is equal to mg minus the buoyant force, which is mass of the displaced liquid into acceleration due to gravity. But both of these are equal to density into volume into g minus density of the liquid into displaced volume, that is the same as volume of the mass, into acceleration due to gravity. So we have tension proportional to the difference between the densities of the mass and the immersed fluid. Therefore, we have F square is proportional to rho minus rho naught. What does this mean? 100 by 80 whole square, which is F1 square by F2 square, would be equal to rho minus 0, which is the density of air, divided by rho minus 10 to the power 3, which is the density of water. This is 5 by 4 whole square is equal to rho by rho minus 10 to the power 3, or 25 rho minus 25 into 10 to the power 3 is equal to 16 rho. Hence we get 9 rho is equal to 25 into 10 to the power 3 kilograms per meter cube, or rho is equal to 25 by 9 into 10 to the power 3 kilograms per cubic. Now we can do the same thing in the case of dry sonometer and unknown liquid sonometer. The 100 divided by 60 whole square is equal to rho minus 0 by rho minus rho of the liquid. So we have 5 by 3 whole square is equal to rho by rho minus rho L, or 25 rho minus 25 rho L is equal to 9 rho. We have 25 rho L is equal to 16 rho, or the density of the liquid is by 25. We can substitute rho here, 25 divided by 9 into 10 to the power 3 SI units, and hence the density of the liquid is 16 by 9 into 10 to the power 3 kilograms per cubic meter. Now specific gravity is nothing but rho L by rho W, which is 16 by 9 into 10 to the power 3 divided by density of water is 10 to the power 3. Now what is this value equal to? 16 by 9 is approximately 1.77, and hence answer is option B.